AWG American wire gauge measures Ethernet conductor thickness, and in 2026, it directly impacts signal integrity, distance, PoE power delivery, heat, and flexibility. Lower AWG means thicker copper, lower resistance, and safer high-power PoE++ 6090W over longer runs. Higher AWG means thinner wire that's more flexible, but loses reach and runs hotter in bundles. The guide explains solid versus stranded conductors, common gauges 22, 23, 24, 26, 28 AWG, and how they map to Cat5e, Cat6, Cat6a, Cat8. Key takeaways: use 23 AWG Cat6a for 10G at 100 mm and PoE++. Use 28 AWG only for short high-density patching.